What's up, guys? It's your boy Ron Most Wanted. If you're coming from my last video, I appreciate you. If you're not, I suggest going to check that out. It's a little short and quick. Just talking about the coils I just got installed. Because as you can see, we're no longer stock height. But we are super dirty. I really need a car wash. I think it's supposed to rain again soon, so I'm probably not gonna get a wash right now. But yeah, we're gonna do just a little quick POV drive. And yeah, hopefully the traffic is flowing nicely. Got Janice Monet in the car with me. Ugh. It's a little bit messy, feel me? But yeah, it is what it is. We're out. Can't count on nothing else, you can always count on there being traffic in New York. I'll get back once it opens up a little bit, if it does. I hope it does. POV everyday driving in New York type of video, so you can see this is all that we really do. Like, this is what my daily driving is like. I know a lot of people were in the comments like, 70 a week on gas? That's crazy. But this is why, because it's like stop and go. A lot of people from other states really do not understand to the extent of stop and go traffic that we have. Like, I mean, I know people from Jersey could relate, Connecticut, ATL, major cities, you feel me? But like a lot of people who live in rural areas, yeah, that sounded kind of nasty, didn't it? Let's try that again. A lot of people that live in rural, that's a hard word to say. I don't like that. That's a little disgusting. It's kind of like moist. I don't like the way it rolls off the tongue. Anyway, rural communities, or where like it's just open road, they don't know what this is like. You feel me? So it's kind of hard, really. It's 2:08. I mean, the kids are kind of just starting to get out of school. But like, why is nobody at work? As I was saying, like, this is kind of like regular every day. This is why I spend so much a week on gas. For you, the G might be pretty good on gas if you live somewhere where like you're not in stop and go constantly, because you're not always on and off the accelerator and the brakes. So your brakes probably last longer. Your gas mileage is good. As you can see, mine right now, I'm averaging 13.8, which is pretty dirt. If you've seen the video I posted before where I was like traveling, bro, my MPG, the highest I ever seen that number was like 50, 55, something like that. This is regular, feel me? And, you know, at one point, I was the type of person to just be like this, trying to swim. But it's like, after a while of doing that and driving for some years, you kind of realize you get ahead, but only if you're ODing. Like, if you just doing a little lane switch here and there, it's like, you barely getting anywhere, bro. I might be like an extra minute or two early. Ooh, excuse me. Got a little gas in my chest. But I might get there like a minute or two early than if I was to sit in the traffic. You feel me? But if the lane is really like not moving, then I'll be like switching and stuff like that. But, you know, it's just not worth it. You know? Especially now that I got COILS. You know, I'm just taking it very slow and easy, at least for now, because I have to learn what it's like to daily COILS. I have to basically adapt to this new way of driving, this new way of awareness. You feel me? Because I was aware of potholes always. I mean, this just unlocked a new awareness within myself. Feel me? Just having these COILS is now I'm paying extra attention to everything I see in the road. Feel me? So yeah, kind of just talking here a lot too, instead of like pausing it and starting back when there's no traffic, because it's probably not gonna be no traffic. Just looking at the time and stuff in the direction I'm headed. But yeah, little POV action of what it's like in my life. One thing I do want to say, man, look, the haters be motivating, so keep hating and watching my videos so eventually I could take a vacation. You know, I hope you feeling my flow. What it? Oh, alright. Yeah, you better stay over there. Because if you don't stay over there, I'ma spray over there. Point the AK over there. And then you gonna lay over there. Hold on. You know we don't play over here. That wasn't hard? Alright. Feel me? I know this is supposed to be a car channel, but y'all gonna have to put up with me. Feel me? If you a subscriber and you gonna keep watching my videos, y'all gonna have to put up with me and my BS. Because this is me. This is my personality. I'm not gonna be one of them boring people who just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be me in all my videos. So you better get used to it, because you in for the ride, B. Oh, you wanna race? I wasn't even like all the way down. Yo, all of that traffic was for right there. That's what I be talking about. Yeah, I saw it. It's crazy. See, all that traffic because everybody want to get over. My thing is, if you know that you about to get over, just work your way over. Prepare yourself. Don't stay in the left lane until your exit come up and then have to go all the way over and then make traffic for everybody else. You feel me? But I'm gonna stop chatting for a little bit, just to let y'all enjoy this somewhat open road. But I promise, I got some ASMR POVs coming soon. I just gotta order this thing from Amazon, I guess, like temporarily until I get an actual GoPro. But yeah, I'm gonna order like a little headband, chest band, POV strapped in, because I tried to make a homemade one last night with one of my caps and some tape and a headband, but you know, I thought I was recording in front of me, but I was recording the sky. So, and like this guy, right? For me, don't get me wrong, I'm doing a little bit over the speed limit, not too much, but like, don't cruise in the left lane. Feel me? Like, if you cruising, just stay in the middle. The left lane is for passing only. You know what I'm saying? It's an old man. No remorse. Nah, let me stop. You know when you driving and you cut somebody out and you pull up next to them and it's an old person and you just feel like, damn, I'm a horrible person. You don't know? You don't know that feeling? You shook your head. Damn.
Nah, sometimes I be feeling bad, sometimes I don't.
I guess it depends on the extent of the situation. Like what they did. If you did something mad cooked, then I ain't gonna feel bad. Look, we slowing down again. This what I be talking about. Why are we slowing down? Just drive. Traffic don't have to exist. Like, just move your car. What the hell? Nice. Alright, bro. I'm gonna have to get over. Damn, son. Alright, bro. I'm about to just cut it. Yo, my bad. I tried. If it opens up again, I'll record. But if not, thank you guys for tuning into this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta make an intro now that I'm low. I gotta start putting out reels and stuff like that, because I feel like now the car looks good. I feel like before it looked alright, but I feel like now it looks good. So now I gotta start like going ham. Feel me? But yeah. Love y'all. Peace.